Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today we're going to have fun playing with this Aimeili Polish TC08 and don't let the label mislead you because take a look at this gorgeous red. Not a vibrant red, but it's like a jelly consistency and it's red when it's cold and it turns into a very sheer pretty pink when it's warm. I'm also going to use 111, which is a mint color, and I'm going to do a freehand this time for you guys, just a different twist at the watermelon look for these nails. I thought this polish just screamed watermelon, and that was my inspiration. That's why I think it's the perfect polish for color changing polish for the summer. You can see here how it's going on my nail plate, how it turns almost sheer, but it is pink. I will do 2 coats, and then you see it red towards my tips because my tips are cold. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the tutorial. So here's the end result, guys. What do you guys think? This is after I finished with Aimeili's top coat. I absolutely love it. Take a look here. This is after if they have done a little bit of more turning, the shifting of the color. I really fell in love with this, guys. I wasn't sure how I was going to like it now. I almost want it for my other hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me this beautiful polish to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.